Yung bago po sa lahat, good evening po. It's a great privilege for me that I'm making this speech in front of you. And formally congratulate and wish many happy returns to Mr. Eli Olila and Mrs. Dea Arlanza. And so doing, let us raise and toss the glass of cheers to the newlyweds. May all your dreams come true, and we wish you the best of luck in achieving your goals as lifetime partners. Jesus said in John chapter 10 verse 10, I have come to give you life, to give you abundant life. How much do I wish that both of you would be able to share in this rich and abundant life that Jesus promised us if we would only give ourselves a chance to God and to know God and to find the secrets of laying our treasures in heaven. May God bless the both of you, and may you find the road to success and lifetime happiness. But the joy filled today is only a shadow of the joy God has in store for you. If you would get to know Him better brace yourselves how both of you will be amazed and transformed if you would welcome God into your new life as husband and wife. God bless you always. Let's cheers again.